Alright guys, what I'm going to show you today is how to make liquid smoked paprika. Take notes, even though I'm starting off with the yellow pepper, this is all going to be the same thing. It's just red is sweeter and they all start out green, but that's another story if you want to get into actually how peppers work. But this is all paprika, and I'm starting off with the yellow bell pepper first. It works the same. It's still a pepper. It's just more sweeter. And red is as sweet as they come, but I'm starting off with the yellow. Also note that smoking them outside on a grill is fine. I just prefer the liquid smoke. I've found that it tastes better than smoke on a grill. And this is also another alternative if you don't have a grill to go outside all the time, to sit outside and smoke your peppers. Now Marconi peppers work the same. They start out green and they ripen all the way until a red color. And I'm gonna start out with the yellow as well on my Marconi pepper. Just make sure you got your Marconi pepper and a bell pepper. These are the sweetest peppers. Both great for paprika. Now let's get these all bagged up so we can get it marinated. No matter what portion you do, you just want to make sure the liquid is filled up over your peppers. And the ratio that I am using is a half a cup of liquid smoke to 2 cups water. And we're going to let this marinate in the refrigerator for 24 hours overnight. Next, we will be placing them on a dehydrator for 24 hours. I'm going to set my dehydrator up for about 180 degrees. Alright now folks, the final step has come. It's time to grind our peppers down to that nice fine powder that we're looking for in the seasoning. Alright, there you have it. If you store this season in a glass mason jar, it can last you up to 6 months. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this with your friends. And as always, thank you for watching. Peace.